Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to allow camera access on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You can see the 5 options below there: home, friends, plus mark, inbox and profile. You have to click on the plus mark. This type of screen will appear in front of you. You can see the icons photo, text, 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 10 minutes. If you want to make picture, then you have to click on the photo. If you want to make the videos, and set the timer and allow to make it. If we are going to take picture, then we click on this button. The picture will be captured and from this option the picture will be saved in your gallery. That was all. Thanks. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons spanning a wide range of products from the cutting edge gadgets to beauty essential, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the picture. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.